Modern PropTech and AI in real estate. We'll discover how cutting edge technology and artificial intelligence are transforming the real estate industry, creating new opportunities for investors and professionals. In a world that's drowning in data, manually shifting through multiple portals and reports to value properties, screen tenants, or forecast rents is a recipe for burnout and missed opportunities. But with today's PropTech platforms and AI powered tools, you can centralize market data, automate valuations, and even predict tenant defaults, giving you a competitive edge to close deals faster and with greater confidence. But how do you do that? Starting with step one, and that is to leverage PropTech portals. Bayut and Property Finder in UAE, up-to-date listings, yield calculators, and neighborhood analytics. LoopNet in and CoStar, US or global, commercial listings with rent comps and vacancy data. CBRE and JLL research centers, where they give you quarterly reports on cap rates, absorption, and new supply. A practical tip: bookmark the market insight sections on these sites and subscribe to their email reports so you never miss a data update. Step 2 is automate valuations with AI. Use ChatGPT for quick estimates. An example prompt could look like: estimate the fair market value of a 2000 square feet office in Business Bay based on recent asking rents of AED 120 to 140 per square feet. You can use Copilot in Excel, use AI formulas to pull live data feeds and recalculate cap rates with one click. Or you can use specialized tools, platforms like reevaluate.ai or CRE models provide more advanced underwriting and scenario analysis. A real example is, with a single ChatGPT prompt, one investor generated a 5-year cash flow model for a JLT office in under 2 minutes versus 2 hours manually. Let's find it out. We use the prompt that we just discussed. I open ChatGPT and I copied this prompt. Estimate the fair market value of a 2000 square feet office in Business Bay based on recent asking rents of this. I would also say based on recent asking rents. Let us not even give the figure. Refer to the online articles and posts, and also generate a 5-year cash flow model. Let's see what we get. Now this is a free version that I'm using. If you're using the paid version, you can expect better results. Okay, awesome. So if you had given it the rent, it would have been better because it was not able to pull up the data. Let me find something else. Okay, we will use the same data and we will use Perplexity. And let's see if I can do something from this. I copy paste the same prompt here, and let's see. Perplexity does the research on driven properties by youth and every other platform. Fair market value estimate for a 2000 square feet office in Business Bay. Recent asking rates, rents, and market data. Recent listings and market reports indicate that office rents in Business Bay typically range from 95 to 129 dirhams per square foot per year, depending on the building quality, fit out, and location within the district. The average recorded rent for offices is around 173370 per year, but this figure is for a range of office sizes and may include smaller units which often command a higher per square foot rate. Premium fully fitted offices in buildings like Bay Square have recent asking rents between 450,000 to 870,000 dirhams per year for units ranging from 1576 to 2455 square feet, translating to about 285 to 354 per square feet per year for high-end fully serviced spaces. However, the broader market average is lower. Then it does the calculation of annual rent. For a fair market value, the midpoint is reasonable. For a standard well-located office, They took a midpoint and then it built a complete 5-year cash flow for you. So this is interesting. And then it also gave you some related questions if you want to ask. You can link, see all the references it has used. And that's how interesting and exciting AI is. So if not ChatGPT, Perplexity. If not Perplexity, Claude. Try and use different AI models and see where you get the best responses. So that was step 2. Moving on to step 3. Tenant screening. Okay, this is done. Moving on to step 3, that is tenant screening and predictive analytics. You can use AI-driven background checks. Now, services like Onfido or Checker can verify identity and credit in minutes. Predictive analytic platforms, tools such as Share, aggregate public data to forecast tenant default risk and neighborhood growth. Custom ChatGPT prompts like generate a tenant screening checklist for a mid-sized tech firm leasing 5,000 square feet in DIFC, including financial and reputational checks. And you can link your leasing CRM, HubSpot, Go High Level with these APIs to automate tenant onboarding emails and lease reminders. Let's do this. I'll use Perplexity for now instead of ChatGPT. And here is the checklist. You could have also used ChatGPT for this. I create this in a downloadable Word doc or a PDF format, and it will do the needful. Okay, so I have to be logged in for this, but yeah, you get that. So that was this. Similarly, you can generate a due diligence checklist for a Dubai office purchase. In ChatGPT, you can create a due diligence checklist for acquiring a 10,000 square feet office in Business Bay, covering legal, financial, technical, and market related items. And see how quickly you get a structured list, title verification, service charge reviews, structural surveys, and market comp analysis, and more. Copy this into your project folder again and customize as needed. Make sure that you're using leading PropTech portals for real-time market data. You're leveraging AI, ChatGPT, Copilot, Perplexity, and other specialized apps to automate valuations and underwriting. You're integrating tenant screening and predictive analytics to reduce the risk. Some of the resources could be Bayut and Property Finder, LoopNet and CoStar, cbre.com/research and jllinsights.com, and then you have Revaluate.ai, CRE models, Onfido, and Share. The future of real estate investing is automated, data-driven, and AI-powered. By tapping into these tools, you will make a smarter decision in a fraction of the time. So try the demo prompt now in ChatGPT and save your checklist. Explore one new PropTech portal this week. Note one insight in your workbook and share your favorite AI tool for real estate in the community and see what your peers recommend.